Hebei SINO-AGRI BOYO Agricultural Equipment Company Limited. We specialize in the production of the corn harvester, stover and corn harvester, corn combine harvester, and other agricultural equipment that can be used in the harvesting of corn and wheat and straw recycling. Additional products include the hay baler, subsoiler, and many other series of machinery that can be used in orchards, such as the air blast sprayer, mower, and orchard picking platform. BOYO was jointly created by China National Agricultural Means of Production Group Company Limited and Gaocheng Boyuan Agricultural Machinery Company Limited in 2011. The company is located in Shijiazhuang, capital of Hebei, which is about 300 kilometers away from both Beijing and the largest marine port in the north, Tianjin Port. As a modern agricultural machinery enterprise, BOYO employs over 100 intermediate and senior technicians, and this elite team has acquired 36 patents successively. Our products have passed international certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, TUV, and so on. Our agricultural equipment is very well received in India, Pakistan, Turkey, Mexico, Uzbek, and many other countries. Our company's vast manufacturing facilities span an area of more than 400,000 square meters. Our manufacturing base includes a complete machine library, skid pad, and several specialized manufacturing workshops, such as sheet metal workshop, riveting and welding workshops, painting workshop, and assembly workshop. Through our large-scale production, we possess the capability to produce more than 27,000 sets of farm machinery and equipment annually. The sheet metal workshop covers an area of 10,000 square meters. This is a highly efficient working area where the staff is required to store raw materials according to an easily accessible system. We use high-power laser cutting equipment to complete precise blanking. A variety of manufacturing processes, including CNC bending, have been automated. In the riveting and welding workshop, we utilize several Panasonic welding machines and KUKA welding robots, ensuring a high degree of automation and a high-quality welding operation without splashing. The painting workshop is fortified by an electro-coating line of automatic operation through the entire process. Through a dozen processes such as pre-degreasing, degreasing, phosphating, electrophoresis, drying, and japanning, the surface structure of the parts is strengthened and rust resistance is enhanced. The assembly workshop is the core workshop of our company. We strategically arranged the 7 sub-assembly lines and 2 general assembly lines for total efficiency to satisfy huge market demand. In addition, in order to meet the needs of automated production, our company has built a tiered warehouse facility which can store 3,000 pallets. This has allowed us to realize organized storage management and automated outgoing of purchased and standard parts. The frame of our corn harvester is made of Q345 special steel and features a long service life of more than 10 years. Equipped with a 160 or 175 horsepower engine and matched with the best power and torque output parameters, this harvester will realize very efficient fuel consumption. The corn harvester has a short body of 7 meters to narrow the turning radius and a granary of 2.5 cubic meters to improve the utilization rate of the granary. This harvester is equipped with a quick detachable header cover, which will improve maintenance efficiency. The wave tank shield possesses an excellent cooling effect. In addition, the corn harvester is equipped with the latest barking machine to ensure its reliability and durability when barking. The corn harvester can complete a joint operation of corn picking, ear barking, ear lifting, and packing, ear box rolling over and unloading, straw smashing, and returning. This stover and corn harvester uses a 129 kilowatt engine and is equipped with a strengthened steering axle, which improves the bearing capacity and trafficability of the whole machine. The SPC belt in this harvester improves the efficiency of power transmission. The ear box adopts a lifting design to make the grain unloading process more convenient. The vehicle is equipped with a monitoring system to monitor the key parts in real time. This machine is high efficiency because it can complete peaking, barking, boxes lifting, cereals unloading, and straw smashing, and recycling operations at one time. The corn combine harvester is equipped with an 800 series hydraulic drive axle so that there are 3 gear stages which can be adjusted. The movements of hydraulic traveling, lifting or dropping of header reel wheel, stretching out or drawing back of the grain unloader are all integrated in one electric control handle to make the operation more convenient and comfortable. You can replace the header or other special accessories to harvest different crops such as wheat, sorghum, and millet. Our round hay baler is suitable for all kinds of natural grassland and forage grassland. This machine is also suitable for baling operations of lake grass, reed, straw, and legume crops. The straw bales are tight inside and loose outside, and the bales have good air permeability in favor of storing for long periods of time and long-distance transportation. The main components of the subsoiler are made of Q345 high-quality steel to ensure their reliability. The unique design of the plow legs reduces the power consumption and working resistance. The knife-shaped soil preparation roller is highly adjustable and it can smooth the ground easily. The multifunction mower is mainly used for weeding or lawn trimming operations in orchards, roads, ditches, hillsides, etc. The average efficiency of mowing can reach 6,500 square meters per hour. The orchard mower is mainly used for mowing in orchards when equipped on a tractor and towed. This machine adopts high-strength, wear-resistance, horizontal rotary flail knife, which has good chopping effect and will discharge grass easily. The 9GS series orchard mower adopts a double cutter structure and is equipped with a high-quality gearbox. The length of the machine is short so that the turning radius of the operation is small. The orchard picking platform is hydraulically driven and can be flexibly operated. The lifting platform is equipped with self-lock device, ensuring the safety and reliability of the machine. The platform can easily carry out pruning and picking operations during walking, and the platform requires zero manual work to move fruit boxes or other articles in picking operations. The air blast sprayer is equipped with water tanks which are used for pipeline flushing and hand washing, and a medicine tank that is made of erosion-resistant PE engineered plastic. The air blast sprayer uses an advanced jet agitator as the mixing power of the medicine tank, which can ensure that the soup will not precipitate at work. The powerful pneumatic structure is equipped with an imported large displacement diaphragm pump. As a result, the air blast sprayer features strong penetration and is suitable for crops with various planting densities. The orchard shredder is mainly used for direct smashing of branches in orchards and gardens. The largest diameter of chopped branches can reach 8 centimeters.